wanting to get a picture with the
Yeah,
shark.
let's go the ride and then do it, okay?
Okay.
Estamos aquí, seguimos bajando.
Let me put this away. So can I ask about the closing?
Yeah.
Says it closing January 2nd?
That's right, yeah.
You're gonna be out of a job, man.
Oh, well, they're gonna move me to another track.
Okay,
so, they're
yeah.
gonna move all of us, but it won't be the same. So.
I know, he's gonna miss it.
It's gonna be sad. Yeah, this is one of the only old rides left.
Welcome to WJWS-TV Channel 13, serving whatever parts of Greater Amity we can reach with our slightly underpowered transmitter. WJWS features the finest in family video entertainment, including the hottest comedies and movies. That's why we're known as the station that plays the hits. We're proud to support and be supported by Amity's finest commercial enterprises. If anytime during our broadcast day you see a product or service you enjoy, please WJWS. Thanks. And now stay tuned for Hey There Amity with your TV hosts, Jack Malone and Melody Clark.
So Rhea, are you gonna miss this ride?
Hey There Amity. Welcome to Amity's most popular and only magazine show. Now let's join that terrific twosome, Jack Malone and Melody Clark. Hi, Melody.
Hello, Jacket. Hey there, Amity. We've got a really terrific show lined up for you.
Starting off with something very special. 1974 when Amity was changed forever. Why?
That's right. The famous shark attack that inspired the movie Jaws.
Folks who were there.
And that's the question, sure. It was a horrible, gruesome tragedy, but was it really such a bad thing for the town?
Like Melody. You know, after that first shark attack, we lost 100% of our visitor business, but now we're back.
Bigger and better than ever, and all thanks to that huggable man-eating monster jaw.
Yeah, wait, now, you know, if we're going to deal with man-eating sharks, we better get in shape and back.
Time for a fitness timeout. Here's our own Hey There Amity fitness guru, Marine Corps drill instructor Dirk Kincaid.
All right, all you kids that eating little guys. No more whining excuses. And a kick butt technique.
Wow.
Get in shape after I try it.
Yeah, do you want to get a picture of Jaws here? Bye. I know.
No, I don't have that on there.
One with the cub over there.
Oh, that's right. I got a picture of you here. Here, side of your sister. Side of your sister. Not in front of your sister. Sideways, there you go. There you go. Here, side of the entrance, my and it feels like a... Okay. Here, run, Mikey, over here.
All right.
Entries over here.
Well, Oh no, yeah, but because the ride's closing, they're getting ready to shut the queue down, I guess.
Michael.
Okay.
Underbelly of the shark. Here, over here.
What?
Sign, Michael, over here.
What sign?
I take a picture of you inside.
We'll present Jaws.
You're gonna need a bigger boat. Hey there, landlubbers. Captain Jake here for Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours with Chummy. What's wrong, big fella?
Oh, my mother-in-law's coming to town, and I promised to entertain her. I'm gonna get up more than I can chew.
Why don't you take her on my terrific champagne cruise?
What's that?
For the flashingly low price of just $75 a person, here's what you get.
A glass of genuine Swillmark generic champagne. All the snacks you can bring on board yourself.
Plus, have your picture taken with the old side-ticket nemesis, Chompy.
And one lucky champagne cruiser will actually get to pilot this pleasure scout after you sign our 280-page insurance waiver.
Sounds great, Captain. It is great. My mother-in-law will love it. And after that, I'll have her over for dinner.
For a limited time, take Captain Jake Champagne Cruise at a soda water price. Not $75, just $71.50. Call now for reservations. Later on tonight on WJWS, crime does not pay as bad guys get their comeuppance on Hands Up Theater. First up, Dragnet. Real men, real stories, real bad haircuts. Then Adam 12. More real cops, more real stories, more real bad haircuts. Only this time the haircuts are tough. That makes them even possible shark attacks by this point. No one knew if it
Alrighty, folks, as soon as we're all seated, are you ready to go? Yeah, watch your arms so the gate coming down. It does stand up, right? Wait a minute, do I have deja vu? Alrighty, that's okay. Alrighty, yeah, I wouldn't worry about the water, it's a water ride, it's gonna come back in. Number one rule, remain seated. Let's get out of here. This is base. What? This is Amity 6. I'm talking to you, base. Do we have clearance for clearance?
Base, you're cleared for departure, Amity 6. Have a good trip.
That's a blooper. Time to wave goodbye to Brittany and those happy landlubbers and the Jaws t-shirt back there. Awesome choice, my man. We're off. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to
There's one at 4:15 and
Take you to Maine if you like sharks.
I think they said they got a lot of profits. That's fine.
You want to go to Maine? You can go up to visit there.
Yeah.
Really? You like, huh?
WJWS Channel 13 today to provide you with programming.
This looks like here.